What happens to your body when you drink clove water at night? If you're facing digestion issue, sleep disorder, oral and blood sugar regulation issues, drinking clove water at night can solve your all issues. I will share recipe at the end of video how to make clove water. Before we talk about clove water benefits and side effects due to excessive consumption, please like, share, and subscribe more health and wellness videos. Improved digestion. Clove water can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. This can be particularly beneficial if you've had a heavy meal before bedtime. Cloves contain compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which means they have the ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural response by the immune system to injury, infection, or irritation. Chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems, including chronic diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Oral health. Cloves are known for their antimicrobial properties, which can promote oral health and reduce the risk of dental problems. Consuming warm clove water before bedtime can have a calming and soothing effect, potentially contributing to improved sleep quality. Side effects of excessive consumption. Consuming too much clove water, especially on an empty stomach, can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort, including nausea, diarrhea, or stomach cramps. Some individuals may be allergic to cloves or have sensitivities to them, which can result in allergic reactions like skin rashes, itching, or difficulty breathing. Large quantities of cloves may put extra strain on the liver and kidneys due to their high concentration of compounds like eugenol. This can be concerning if you have existing liver or kidney issues. Pregnant and nursing women should exercise caution with clove consumption, as it can have potential effects on pregnancy and breastfeeding. Making clove water is a simple process, and it can be consumed at night for its potential benefits. Here's a basic recipe for making clove water. Ingredients: 1 to 2 whole cloves, adjust to your taste. 1 cup of water. Optional: a small slice of ginger, a cinnamon stick, or a teaspoon of honey for added flavor. Here is complete instructions of clover water recipe. You can pause the video and follow this guideline. It's crucial to practice moderation when consuming clove water or any herbal infusion. If you're considering incorporating it into your nighttime routine, start with a small amount and monitor how your body reacts. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. As with any dietary or health-related decision, it's always a good idea to seek personalized advice from a healthcare provider or nutritionist to ensure it aligns with your specific health needs and goals.